Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today on Ubix Toys, I'm unboxing a doll from Integrity Toys and presented during the second day of the Dolly Days in January 2024. She's from the East 59th collection of 4 dolls titled The Weekend in the Poconos. I'm always very excited when a new East 59th collection is revealed. The designer Chris Stoeckel always creates beautiful dolls in fashion. This time, Evelyn Weaverton makes a new appearance and she's titled Traveling in Style. As usual, she's exquisite. Evelyn and Victoire/Delarue are my most favorite characters from this line. To date, I own all the Evelyns from the beginning, 9 in all. Yes, I know I'm obsessed with her and she never disappoints me. This doll is a limited edition of 600 pieces worldwide, at the price of $160. Okay, let's take her out of the shipper box. You can see the basic packaging made for this collection. Apparently, this style of box will be extended to all Integrity doll lines, except for a few special editions and exclusive club dolls. I know it's to lower the cost of production because the box is lighter, but I hope it's not the new norm. I regret the old packaging. Here she is. Look at her. She's gorgeous. Her skin tone is blush and her hair color is called Sable brown. I just love this screening with her sultry brown eyes, her classic red lips and the shape of her brows. Her eyelashes are hand applied. Her body type is East 59 1.0 with high-heeled foot sculpt. And look where her coat is hidden, inside the lid. Here's the certificate of authenticity. The base of the doll stand. And the rod of the stand. The base is made in clear acrylic with the East 59th gold logo on it. Let's check out the accessory box. We'll see them in detail later in the video. Here is a pair of gloved hands. The head wrap in the same color. A pair of orange-red pumps. The set of jewelry with pearl necklace and earrings. Not forgetting her beautiful coat. And the last piece, the vanity case. Now let's take her out of the box. Wow, with the Evelyn sculpt, you can't go too far wrong. She's absolutely stunning. Her long nails are painted in the same color as her lipstick. The hairnet is now removed. I love the colour they used, a warm brown sand colour. The hair has a lot of gel product in it to keep the style in place. Look at that face. Now let's take a closer look at the accessories. She comes with a pair of alternate short gloved hands in a tangerine colour. Here is the headband or head wrap in the same colour. The pair of orange-red pumps. The jewellery set containing pearl stud earrings and a pearl necklace. She comes with a tangerine and white East 59th monogrammed train case or vanity case. Each doll of the collection has a different kind of case. This small case is very similar to the one from Most Sophisticated Sabrina, or the one from Victoire Rue, Prêt-à-Partir. There is a magnetic closure. And now the Cocoon overcoat with portrait collar. The pockets seem to be functional. Now let's take off her outfit. Here is the removable orange-red belt. She comes with a sportswear woven plaid, button-down blazer jacket. She's wearing some flesh colour panties too. Let's take a closer look at the woven plaid knee-length skirt. Here she is, totally dressed with all her accessories. Let's place the doll on the stand so we can look at all the details. Here is her new look, a beautiful dress and some jewellery from Chantemo. She's now ready to slay the party with some delicious cocktails and handsome guys. So, what do you think of this new version of Evelyn? Don't hesitate to comment. I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing of Evelyn Weaverton, traveling in style. Thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Stay safe. See you very soon for the next unboxing video. Bye for now.